My name is Kenny MacArthur, and I'm a musician. All musicians produce sound waves. Sound familiar? That's because waves are also known as sine waves. As you can see from this diagram, each musical note has a sine and a different frequency, basically meaning that each period can be either shorter or longer. Whether you play a musical instrument or listen to your stereo, you're listening to sound waves. We can think of these as having the shape of sine waves. For example, if you know anything about playing a piano, the note A above middle C produces a wave shape like sine of 2 pi times 440x. If you figure out the period of this function using the theorem from class, you'll see that the wave has 440 complete cycles. If we change the number of cycles, the wave completes every second. In other words, if we change the period of the sine wave, then we change the sound. The lowest value of a wave is called the trough. When we speak of the amplitude of the sine related to the sound, referring essentially to the change in air pressure caused by the vibrations created by the sound.
Hi there, I'm Davina, and this is a guitar. Alright, so whenever you pluck a string of a guitar, a sine wave will appear. I'm not sure if you can see that. Whenever there's a different note, there's different frequencies.
Hello there, my name is Carl. In music, notes have octaves. An octave is when the distance that a string vibrates, or its frequency, decreases by a half. If you play an octave, you can see that the strings are vibrating at the same speed, or the same frequency, except that this one is twice as fast as this one. Because they are the same note. Except that this one has less distance to cover, therefore it vibrates faster, twice as fast as this one.
On a piano, each note is attached to a string, and on that string there is a hammer which hits the note and plays the note. If you play a note, it will create sound waves which could be represented as a sine graph. There isn't really a pi or a unit circle for this. We have to convert it to seconds instead of having 2 pi as a period. So a standard equation would be like sine x, which would have a normal sound. So the amplitude would be 1 and period would be 2 pi. But we must convert the period to become seconds instead on a graph. To do that, we must change the period by dividing it. So we could write sine parentheses 2 pi x parentheses. 2 pi divided by 2 pi would equal 1. So each period would be 1 on a graph. The 1 second would be represented as each note being played for half a second. The amplitude on each keys isn't really high, so we would leave it as 1.